Hello, my name is Ira and welcome to my channel. This is the second video of the course Russian for Beginners, and in the first video we have already told about Russian alphabet, about printing Russian letters, but today I've promised you to make the second video about Russian cursive. And I've heard a lot from foreigners that Russian cursive is a terrible thing for them. This is a kind of mess when we write by using cursive. So this is the Russian cursive, you see? Yes, that's difficult to understand. For example, this is the cursive I use in my normal life. We Russian speakers don't print normally because it's faster to use the cursive. And in this video I will teach you how to write the real Russian cursive. And you will manage to read all the letters and all the words we write in Russian cursive. If you're interested, keep watching. And we will start with the first letter of the alphabet, and this is A. So that's how it looks in a cursive, but I will write this with you, and here down below I will put a picture with lines how to write when you have to start on the left side or on the right side. So for you just to understand how I do it. But anyway, you can follow my pen and write with me. So let's start. The capital letter. Maybe I will write like this because it's much more easier. The capital and the small one. One more time. The capital and the small one. Good. Second one, B. The capital and the small one. One more time. The capital and the small one. Okay? Let's continue. Next one is V. The capital and the small one. Sorry, it should be key in here. The capital and the small one. So just leave the key here, okay? Let's go further. G. The capital and the small one. The capital and the small one. It's very easy, yes? Okay, so the next one, D. The capital, the small one. Capital, small one. So you can just leave the key here or not, it's up to you. Yeah. Actually, you don't need to make like this. That's just me. I write very fast, so in normal way it looks like this. And you see there is no circle in here, so the academic cursive looks like this. But when you write fast, it's very difficult to write like this. Yo. Almost the same, just two commas. Sorry, not commas, two dots. You see, it's very difficult not to make this circle when you write very fast. J. The capital. J. The small one. the capital, I have no space, but the capital and the small one are the same, just the size is different. Z, the capital, the small one, the capital, the small one. And you see how we write. We have such kind of lines because when pupils at schools, for example, use different notebooks, they prefer this for the Russian language. And when you write letters which have a key just on the other line, you have to have the space. So in this case, for the capital, we use 3 or 4 parts of this line, and here we use 2 or 4 parts of this line. Be attentive. E. And normally when we write, it shouldn't be like this. You see the key and the capital letter, they are together, so try to be very accurate with this. And Y. Almost the same like E. Normally in the Russian alphabet, when we read it, we call this I краткое. That's like E short. Let's go further. K. K. L. L. Okay. M. M. Okay. N. A little bit difficult, yes? One more time. Okay. And the small one. I will repeat the capital one more time for you. Okay, perfect. Very easy. O. O. All right with O? Perfect. P. P. Okay. R. R. S. S. T. Don't be confused between English M and Russian T, because they look the same. One more time. T. Okay. U. U. Okay, and our last part of the letters. F. Some people, they write like this, but it's up to you how it's easier for you to write, because I use different ways. And this small one, like this. Maybe one more time I will write here. But sometimes I feel that it's easier for me to write like this and like this. Just choose the variant you like. H. Not very difficult, right? One more time. H. It's a kind of Chanel. It shouldn't be like Chanel. It should be like this. C. And the small one. And be attentive to this key. They're a little bit different. Here, one more time, the capital. And the small. All right. Ch. Ch. Get it? Okay. Sh. 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 The same with kiss. Be attentive. Sh. Sh. Maybe the small one is better to write like this. Hot sign. In Russian we call it твердый знак. And I can't pronounce it. It's impossible just without other letters, without the position in a word. So, hot sign. And the soft sign in Russian we call it мягкий знак. Don't be confused between English B and soft sign in Russian. They maybe look the same for you. Next one is Y. We have some words which start from Y, so we have the capital letter. Y. 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 I hope you've got how to pronounce this sound. Some students, they have told me that for them it sounds like someone has bumped you into a stomach and you have pronounced like Ugh. All right, maybe it's like this. Next one is air. 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 And I would like to ask you not to be confused with yeah and and don't write yeah like this. Nope. Oh, that it was yeah in here and I have lost it some way. I don't know. So the next one is you. Just follow my pen. You. You. All right, and I will write the capital one more time. You. Get it? Okay. And the last one is yeah. 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 I have no space, but I will write here one more time. Yeah. Yeah. Once again, just follow my pen. Yeah. And that's all what I have wanted to teach you today, and now I hope that you understand a little bit maybe the Russian cursive and practice a lot. Just practice to write the Russian cursive. Now you know how to write the separate letters, but our next video will be about the connections between two letters, because it's very important in Russian language as well. So, thanks for watching this video, and leave your comments down below just for me to understand that it was understandable for you and you've got everything. And also down below in the description box I will put the link to the papers. You can print these papers and write the Russian letters in cursive. Okay, so see you in my next video. The next video in English will be in November, because I post one English video per month, because my channel is called About Russian in Russian, but I have decided to make a course of video in English. So if you like my videos, subscribe to my channel and see you in November. Bye!